A.
Hi, come in. I'm Maya. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to the Grange Park Sports Centre. I'll just show you around the centre and explain what we offer here. And then you can ask me questions. Well, as you can see, this is quite a small centre, but we offer a lot of different activities at different times of the day. If you'd just like to come through here, you can see the main rooms. These are nice and light and airy, and we have a very good air conditioning system. So they are warm in the winter and cool in the summer.
Nice.
Here we have classes of yoga, tai chi, Pilates, and Zumba at different levels. We also have different types of dance class, jazz dancing, Indian dancing, and Latin dancing. Oh, and we've just started offering flamenco. All our teachers are fully qualified and experienced. We have beginners classes up to advanced. Some of our students have been coming since we opened 10 years ago.
Wow.
So if you could follow me through here. Oh, mind the steps here. We've got the sauna and massage rooms. We have very reasonable prices for massages. And over here, we have the gym with exercise machines. It's quite a small gym, but usually there's plenty of room for people to move around without any problems. Okay, that's about it. Over there, we have the changing rooms with showers. You do need to bring your own towel if you want to shower, but you don't need to bring a mat for the yoga and Pilates classes. Oh, and I must mention the cafe. It's just off the main entrance. That's very popular with our clients. We have a great selection of teas, fresh juices, sandwiches, and cakes.
Very nice.
Right, the prices. You can join for 3 months, 6 months, or a year. And that gives you the right to use the gym and go to 2 classes a week. If you want to go to more classes or use the sauna, there's a small extra charge. For 3 months, the fee is £86.
B. Okay, let me show you the gym. My name's Bill, and I'm the main sports trainer here. But we have a team of 4 specialists who are always around to help you with exercise programs and give advice about lifestyle and diet. We strongly recommend that you talk to one of us as soon as you sign up and set up your personalized training program. So, through here, we have the main gym. As you can see, it's enormous, and we have lots of brand new machines. You can do everything here. Running, cycling, rowing, weights, you name it. Although we have a lot of clients, it's very unusual to have to wait for a machine. Over there is the area for weight training. If you want a closer look at the machines, you can come back later. Oh, by the way, you can only come in here with trainers on. No outdoor shoes, please.
Okay, then.
Okay, through here we have the swimming pool.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
It's great, isn't it? We're very proud of it. You can use it most of the time without booking, but there are certain times of the day when we have swimming classes and water aerobics. There is always a lifeguard in attendance who will also offer informal swimming tips. Okay, just over there you have the changing rooms and lockers, and on the right are the bathrooms and showers. We have our own shop here where you can buy our own brand of sportswear and sports drinks and supplements. Right, I can see you're impressed. And as I said, we're very proud of our centre. However, I should warn you that we are slightly more expensive than other gyms in the area. But then we offer a much higher level of services and a very wide range of activities. Here's a brochure with the timetables of the extra classes that we offer, such as boxing, taekwondo and capoeira, and quite a few others. Besides swimming activities, swimming classes, diving classes, water aerobics and water polo. Okay, so have a look at the brochure. Then you can speak to one of the secretaries in reception about the best combination of activities for you.